Hey guys, today we're going to be cooking up Southwest Quesadillas. Perfect for anyone on a gluten-free vegan diet. Let's get started. First, let's prep our veggies. We need 1 cup of peppers, 1 chopped Roma tomato, 2 shallots, or a white onion. Now portion all these ingredients and set them aside on a tray to bring outside. Now outside at the Blackstone, preheat the grill 350 degrees using a digital thermometer for accuracy. Spray the grill top with avocado oil spray to prevent sticking. Add the peppers and onions first and cook them until they're softened. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Next, we'll add the chopped tomatoes, black beans, corn, minced garlic, cumin, and chili powder. Mix thoroughly until everything is heated through. Cook for a few minutes until all the ingredients are well combined and hot. Transfer the cooked mixture to a bowl. You may have to put a little water on the grill to remove the seasoning from the mixture. And spray more avocado oil on the grill top. Place the 6 Mission gluten-free wraps on the grill. Now let's add our dairy-free Mexican cheese. And cooked veggie mixture to one side of each wrap. This will allow the bottom portion of the wrap to get nice and crispy. Fold the other side of the wrap over and cook each side until the wrap is crispy and the cheese is melted. And there you have it, our Southwest Quesadillas on the Blackstone. Super crispy on the outside and warm and yummy and spicy on the inside. Try this recipe out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to watch our next Blackstone videos. All products I used in this video will be linked down in the description.